Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you guys hear?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can you hear me?
Speak up.
Can you hear me?
There you go. You just got to speak loud. Otherwise, the rest of us had no idea you're trying to say something. Okay. So we'll do our pre-takeoff checklist real quick before we blast off into the wild blue yonder. Make sure everything's working right. Start back here. Brake is off, light is off, fuel is on, frictions are on, carburetor is in, circuit breakers. Yeah. Okay. That works. Okay, we're ready to start it. So we'll turn the mixture up. Rich, clear.
So back up, everyone.
Yeah. Okay, oil pressure, clutch is on, alternator's on, and it's charging. Rotor blades are moving. How about that? We scared yet?
Maybe. I really don't have a door, huh?
No, no door. It's like driving a convertible. It's too hot with the top on.
Okay, that thing's got us jerking.
We're moving. So, just going to go through some startup procedures here real quick.
Turn on the radio, you know.
Yeah, for example. So we're going to listen to the weather. We got a little weather station here on the airport. I'm sure you heard it in the T6 earlier. Sounds like this.
Kissimmee Airport, information Kilo, 1350 Zulu, weather, wind 1206, visibility 10, sky clear, temperature 28, dew point 24, altimeter 3005, visual approach and use, landing and departing runway 15, use caution for birds on and around the vicinity of the airport, advise on initial contact, you have information Kilo.
Okay, so we got the information. What we're going to do now is we're going to rev the engine up and do our checks. I'll throttle it up just a little bit.
27 Lima to the west, frequency changes approved. See ya.
We'll check our magnetos. That's our ignition systems. We have 2 of those. Split the needles. That's good. And the carb heat is operational. Okay, so you know what the controls are called and what they do?
No.
Okay. This one here is called a collective. What it does, it changes the pitch of all the blades at the same time. So as you pull it up, we're going to go up. Push it down, you're going to go down. You handle that with your left hand.
Okay.
There's also twist grip, which is a throttle, but it's automatic, so it's going to sit there and do its own thing.
Okay.
This is called a cyclic. And the reason it's called a cyclic is because it cyclically changes the pitch of the blades as they turn, right? So it'll tilt the disc left, right, front, and back. That's how we control it, front and back, left and right. This part doesn't do anything. Remember that, okay?
Just there for looks.
Well, no, it's there for your comfort, right? When I'm flying, I'm going to be sitting like this. When you're flying, it's going to be sitting there with your right hand. Your left hand's over here, right? There you go. The pedals are not called rudder pedals because we don't have a rudder. What they do is they control the pitch of the tail rotor, and that makes the helicopter yaw left and right. Okay?
Okay.
Got it? Ready to go?
Okay.
All right, we'll rev it up. Do our checks. All right, we're going to check the low RPM warning horn here real quick. It's going to go off in just a moment. That's good. We'll check the controls. See up against the sky there? See the edge of the blades? If I push the stick forward, you see how they come down? Stick back, they come up.
Oh, okay. That's
Left
how
and right?
helicopter works.
Yeah, and the tail rotor. Okay, I'm ready to go if you are.
Okay.
All right, here we go. So I'm slowly just going to lift off the tarmac here by transferring the weight off the skids onto the rotor system. Very gently. We don't do anything sudden in a helicopter. Just like that, right?
Okay. We're moving.
Yes, we are. We're moving out.
Oh,
Bit of a
boy.
magic carpet, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Dutchess 776, Juliet Hotel, west departure, runway 15, clear takeoff, Cherokee, turning a left base.
Okay, so we're going to teach you one control at a time here. It's a
Uh-oh.
little tricky because the helicopter is very unstable. We're going to start with the collective. So with your left hand, grab the stick between you, and that's the one. Look straight ahead outside, okay? All I want you to do is pull it straight up gently, okay? Come on up, a little bit more. Keep going. There you go, good. Now we're going up, right?
Yeah.
Just bring it straight down again. There you go. Up, 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 up. Don't hit the ground. There you go. Good. Excellent.
Oh,
All right, I'll take it on my back. That's pretty simple, right? Up is up, down is down. No big deal.
Okay.
Now, once you do the pedals instead, notice how the left pedal is a little bit in front of the right. That's normal. Okay. Now look straight ahead outside at a tree or something,
Okay.
and just aim the helicopter in that direction, okay? You have the pedals. Okay, a little bit of left pedal, left pedal. There you go. Aim it more left. Like I said, a little more left. Let's aim that way.
Okay.
It's weird to steer with your feet, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay, I got the pedals back.
Okay.
All right. With your right hand, grab the stick.
Oh, why am I doing this?
This is going to be the tricky one. Look straight ahead. All I want you to do is try to stay level, okay?
Okay.
This is the most unstable thing you've ever flown.
Oh,
or ever been in, probably. Here you go. You got it.
Oh.
Okay, I got it.
Oh, God. That's all you. That's all you. That made me nervous.
Wait, well, if you move the stick to the right, we're going to go to the right. It's
Okay.
that simple.
I barely touched it, though.
You moved it a lot.
Oh, did I really?
Yeah, look straight ahead outside. Okay, you try it again. You got it.
Okay, which way am I going?
Try not to go anywhere. Try to sit still. Okay, let's go this way. Come back to the left. Okay, I'll give you a hand. I got it.
Okay.
So, that's a little tricky, isn't it?
Yeah, this is not easy. This is not as easy as it looks. Oh.
All right, we'll try again.
Okay.
All right?
I'm like sweating over here.
Yeah, that's normal.
Okay.
Student seat's always hotter than the instructor seat. All right, you got it.
No, I don't.
Try it.
Okay.
That's the wrong way.
Oh, sorry.
See? If you want to move that way, you
Okay.
move the stick in that direction. But if you don't, the other way, right?
This way. Okay. All right.
One more try.
So which way am I going?
I don't want you to go anywhere. I want you to sit still.
Oh.
You got it. Okay, left, back, back, back. There you go. See how that works?
Yeah.
Aren't
Oh,
you,
jeez.
aren't you lucky there's no helicopter cops here to pull us over?
I'm like breathing so hard. Every time I move it just a little bit, we swirl all around.
Fantastic. All right, we ready to go flying now?
Oh no, I didn't. I thought we were flying.
Oh, yes, but I'll help you. Tower 2 Lima to Warburg. Like to do a pattern. Back to Warburg.
280 Lima, stay west of 15, 500 foot, clear takeoff, turtle land, at Warburg.
Clear to go. 2 Lima. Okay.
Okay, are you taking it now?
We're going to put the nose down just a little bit.
Okay.
And as long as we hold the nose down, we're going to keep accelerating. See that?
What should I do with my left hand?
Just feel what I'm doing. As
Oh,
we...
you got a handle too?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, okay.
You really think I would let you do this by
I
yourself?
didn't know.
I'm in here too, you know. There you go. Now we're flying. So this is a lot like flying the airplane. It has a lot more stability now.
Yeah, because that
All right.
low stuff was really nervous.
Yeah, so give it a try. You got it. Okay, I want you to let your arm rest on your leg, just like that. It's easier. Okay? There you go.
Okay, wait. I'm
Left,
following.
left, left. There you go. Nice. Nice view, huh?
Yeah.
Now this is the way to travel. You know, no speed limits, no red lights, no road rage. It's great. We don't even have to follow the road. Land in people's backyards. It's awesome.
Yeah, you just sit right on top of something, don't you?
Yep. Here, look, Ma. No hands.
Oh, stop. Oh, this is a lot harder than the,
It is. Yes, it is. All right, let's turn to the right.
Okay, to the right. Okay, is that too much?
You're doing great. Pull back on the stick a little bit. Beautiful. See? I think we can make a helicopter pilot out of you.
Oh, yeah, right.
Absolutely.
This is a lot harder than it looks on The Bachelor.
Yeah, you could say that again.
Hello, people. Hi.
Okay. Now, it's going to slow down a little bit. Come back on the stick. Excellent.
Oh, don't want to get the blades in those power lines.
Nope, we're going to stay out of the power lines.
250 Fox Tango, clear touch and go, Centurion on the runway for departure. Clear touch and go,
I've just done it before. So here we are. Welcome back, right?
Yay!
Yeah, I got traffic behind you. Just make a left 367 over Delta.
Look at how much wind we're portraying.
Left 367 over Delta. Sierra Echo Alpha, remain clear of the Orlando Class Bravo northwestbound and also the Disney TFR. Orlando approach is 119.4. Good day. Clear the Bravo and the TFR, which is probably straight ahead of us, right? Affirmative.
You don't even need a runway for this thing.
Yeah, we'll do that.
Sure do.
Yeah, 119.4 Orlando approach. Thank you, sir. Sierra Echo Alpha.
There we go. Welcome back.
Yay!
How cool was that?
I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous.
Yeah.
Good driving. I thought you were gonna let me crash.
No. That's not my style,
you
you
had
see?
this thing on that side.
Yeah. That's not my style. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed yourselves.
We did. Well, I did. Kind of.
Okay, you guys are welcome to hop out. I just got to let the thing cool off for a minute. But I'd recommend leaving your headsets behind.
Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.